Henry and I, we're really excited about bringing the seminar and the course to Sri Lanka, and there's 3 levels in this course. The first level, we're covering sports injuries of the lower limb, and Henry, I guess, will be talking about hamstring.
That's right. We'll look at all the up-to-date literature on diagnosing and rehabilitation and bringing people back from hamstring injury successfully, particularly in regard to preventing recurrence of hamstring strain, which is very common.
Very common.
In sport and in exercise. And we're also going to cover the knee and the ankle in the lower limb. So in this first course, which is our first module in that international sports physiotherapy program.
Yeah. And in that first level, in that first course, we'll allow for, the latest research, the content, the hands-on skills, and give people, the therapists, the best skill level to help their own athletes.
There'll be plenty of opportunity to learn. We'll be doing hands-on demonstrations of all the physical assessment tests, and we'll give some good one-to-one coaching of technique, of the handling skills, because we're very advanced in that area. Here in Australia, we do take pride in our ability to assess correctly and develop accurate treatment programs. So we'll do that over the hamstring, as we mentioned, the knee joint, check for stability and integrity of the knee, and the ankle joint. And we'll also show quite a lot of functional tests that we can use for markers to help guide the rehabilitation process.
Very good.
Should we talk about the seminar?